In this video, we're going to look at the features of the 4K outdoor cooker by Heston Blumenthal's Everdure range. This innovative cooker has fast flame ignition, which includes an electric element to get you cooking on it in 10 minutes. It's made from a die-cast aluminium construction and thick gauge metal that stays cool to touch when cooking. The bodywork also comes with an impressive 10-year manufacturer warranty, with the parts having 5 years and the electric ignition too. The airflow control system has precisely numbered top and bottom vents for a more balanced and responsive airflow, making it perfect to adjust for direct grilling, smoked grilling, roasts, and high heat bakes. With the fuel and wood chip side reloader, you can keep the heat in while ensuring it keeps going. The touch glass display allows you to adjust settings, stay informed, and connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth. The free app gives you cooking data, hints, tips, recipes, and alerts. The Everdure 4K comes with a protective cover and a range of accessories, so with one purchase, you have everything you need for varied, controlled, and delicious outdoor cooking. With its hood open, it's 147 centimeters high, 55 centimeters wide, and 85 centimeters deep. Available in either classic graphite or striking orange, your garden will look great. Links to both are in the description box below, and please subscribe to our Garden for Less YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.